Hi, I'm May, and I'm going to be presenting the benefits of a CRM for our salon. This cartoon depicts the impact we want to have on our customers when they come in. That's an important relationship, and this CRM is going to help us establish that. What is a CRM? Customer Relations Management System is technology-based software that is going to allow us to manage our business relationships, whether they're with our clients or with our vendors. It's going to collect and manage data and information associated with those relationships in order for us to stay connected to our customers, to streamline our own internal processes, and ultimately increase our profitability. The three different CRMs that I researched are Booker by Mindbody, Insight Salon Software, and Salesforce. Booker by Mindbody is a cloud-based service and appointment booking system. And some of the features that I'm highlighting are the appointment scheduling is through the dashboard. So if they're in the salon, we can create an appointment right there and then there. But they also have the option for online booking at their own personal leisure. One of the special features of Booker that defines it from other CRMs is the social media aspect. They also have integrated apps with Facebook for social media booking. Pretty standard, the notification of confirmations or reminders through text or email, and that is automated, so we don't have to be calling or texting each one. It's an automated system. As a sales module that can process payments through credit card, debit card, cash, it also can track the history of our clients and vendors and any other loyalty points or gift certificates. All those can be handled by the sales module. Booker is set apart in terms of the marketing. It has various avenues of online marketing through Yahoo, Google, Yellow Pages, as well as they do stress the social media marketing through Twitter or Facebook to capture that portion of the business and demographic. Booker would work with us in customizing the design and function of our dashboard and what it looks like, so it's integrated into our current salon website. The informational data module of Booker is where there's a lot of analytical or statistical functions and graphing that we can pull that information and basically see how the business is doing or how any strengths or weaknesses of the business overall. The training options are through the online help desk through their website, the video tutorials that they offer, as well as learning manuals that we can read, and their customer service support is awesome. Pricing comes per month per user, so depending on how many of us will use this program and which package we want is the price. And the package one has a variety of features, the basic features, and then each additional package has add-ons to the one prior. The second CRM is Insight Salon Software, and similarly it is a cloud-based software, but it does give us the option to purchase the software outright and have it directly installed into our computer. The features are appointment scheduling through the dashboard as well as online option. The strength of this software is the client management system. It manages all the information. It allows us to input notes about that client of the notes of like how they got their hair done or what color or what any formulations that we used on them. It also allows us to upload a picture of them. So it's a nice folder or package to really connect with our customers and remember them. The marketing aspect is through campaigning. We can come up with a campaign and have it mass sent out via text or email. In terms of sales, it can process all different forms of payments. It can keep track of invoices. And also the point of sale component is really nice, where we can purchase any hardware that we would need and it would be fully integrated into the Insight Salon software. For example, cash drawers or barcode scanners or credit card processing machines. Notifications can go through text or email again, and those are our confirmations or reminder notifications for appointments. They have a module for inventory, and it really is a way for us to keep track of inventory that is for sale as well as internal inventory that's used in the salon. And there's a nice automated feature where it can, when it detects that inventory is low, it can automatically reorder. There are a bunch of other business functions that will help us look at statistics and analyze graphically how our business is doing, and all that information can help us again decide where our strengths and our weaknesses are, and we can adjust accordingly. There are a variety of custom add-ons that Insight salon software has, and depending on our needs. For training and customer support, they do have an online technical support where we can type in questions, or if we go through their website, as well as tons of information, video, and blogs about how to use the software as well as how to grow our business. The pricing, it depends on the platform. The cloud-based is, again, depending on how many employees per month. So for us at this point, we have 4 to 6 employees. It'd be $79 per month for the cloud base. If we want to purchase it outright, that would be installed, and it would be about $1,000 investment for us at this point. The third CRM is Salesforce. Salesforce is a widely used CRM for a variety of different businesses, not just salons. It has a lot of different strengths. And some of the features is that it has the ability to manage future and current leads. It can track sales and transactions across multiple platforms or different apps. It has the ability to forecast sales, so that's a lot of statistical information that can help grow our business. And everything that when it's inputted, it's a real-time sale, so it's constantly calculating where our business is at that specific point. It has a comprehensive billing and quoting system for billing clients or vendors, or getting quotes from vendors. It has the ability for internal and external collaboration, so we can there's a lot of sharing involved through applications, whether through our through our clients or through our vendors. And it's fully customizable. We would work with a Salesforce representative to get the software with the features exactly of how we want it to look and what functions it would have. And one of the biggest things with Salesforce is that it has features from multiple apps. Basically, it's integratable with any type of application out there. Definitely one of the strengths. Salesforce offers a variety of training. There's free online videos that we can just research ourselves and watch. We can have an in-class instruction. We can actually go and learn at their Salesforce facility how to use the software effectively. We can also have hands-on training and go to almost like a class. Pricing, again, is per user per month, and there's different packages there: the Essential, Professional, Enterprise, and Unlimited. Ultimately, my recommendation would be to use the Booker by MindBody. It's designed for salon and spa industry. It's user-friendly. It definitely helps in keeping us organized and in scheduling and sales and all the customer relationships. And it would portray a professional image that we would like our customers to see. Finally, the next steps would be to contact a representative, get a demonstration, and begin training.